Artificial intelligence is changing the world. It's also changing how we use apps. AI can make your app smarter, faster, and more user-friendly. Imagine apps that understand your voice, recognize images, and even predict what you want. This guide will teach you how to create your own AI-powered apps. In just 30 days, you can go from beginner to AI app developer. We'll break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand steps. No matter your coding experience, you can create amazing AI apps. We'll use popular tools and resources to make the process smooth. Get ready to unlock the power of AI and bring your app ideas to life. Before we start building, let's gather the tools. Most tools are free or have free versions. We'll use Python beginner-friendly with a large AI community. For coding, Visual Studio Code is powerful and free. AI frameworks are toolboxes for building models. TensorFlow Lite is great for mobile apps. Use Google Cloud or AWS for deployment. This guide is a great start. We'll point you to more resources along the way. Let's set up our development environment. Install Python and Visual Studio Code. Then install TensorFlow Lite extension. Now you're ready to build AI models. Optionally set up cloud services. Next, choose the right AI model. AI models are the brains of your app. They're trained on data to perform specific tasks. Choosing the right model is crucial. First, what will your app do? Identify the core functionality of your app. Will it process images, text, or something else? Next, explore pre-trained models. TensorFlow Lite offers a library of pre-trained models. These can save you time and effort. Consider accuracy and size. Choose a model that balances accuracy with the size constraints of a mobile app. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try different models and see which one works best for your specific needs. Data, the fuel for your AI engine. AI models learn from data. Quality and quantity of data impact performance. Identify your data needs. What kind of data does your model need? Is it images, text, or numbers? Collect and clean your data. Ensure data is accurate and relevant. Split data into training, validation, and testing sets. This helps evaluate performance. Data augmentation increases dataset diversity. Good data is the foundation of success. Coding your AI app. Now comes the exciting part. Writing the code for your AI app. Don't worry, we'll guide you through it. First, import the necessary libraries. Import TensorFlow Lite in your Python script. Load your pre-trained model. Use TensorFlow Lite to load the model. Prepare your input data. Format your data and make predictions. Use the model to make predictions. Present the model's output clearly. Congratulations, you've built the core of your AI app. Testing, making sure your app works. Test your app thoroughly before launch. Test on different devices and screen sizes. Use real-world data. Gather user feedback. Iterate and improve. Ensure a positive user experience. Launching or deploying your app. Once your app is tested and polished, it's time to share it with the world. First, choose your platform. Decide whether to launch on the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or both. Next, create developer accounts. Sign up for developer accounts on your chosen platforms. Then, prepare your app for submission. Follow the platform-specific guidelines for app submission. After that, submit your app. Upload your app files, screenshots, and descriptions to the app stores. And finally, celebrate your achievement. Launching an app is a significant accomplishment. Keeping it fresh, maintaining and improving your AI app. Launching your app is just the beginning. Monitor performance and track metrics like engagement and crash reports. Respond to user feedback and update your model regularly. Add new features to keep your app engaging. Continuous improvement keeps users engaged and attracts new ones. Congratulations on your journey into AI app development.